In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice whisper in ElevenLabs, both quickly and easily. We know how important it is to have your voiceover sound just right, whether it's for storytelling, creating an ASMR effect, or adding a touch of mystery to your project. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the software, I'll guide you through some simple steps to help you achieve that perfect, soft whisper. To begin, let's talk about the language you'll be using. When creating a whispering effect, it's crucial to start with soft-sounding phrases. Imagine someone speaking gently into a quiet room, saying phrases like, "Come closer," or "Can you hear me?" These kinds of phrases naturally lend themselves to a whispering tone, setting the stage for what you want to achieve. Next, we're going to adjust the volume of the text using ElevenLabs markup. You'll want to enter the command "prow" around your chosen phrases. This command tells the AI to decrease the volume, ensuring that the phrases are spoken softly, as if in a whisper. Remember, the goal here is subtlety. You want the voice to be heard as a soft secret rather than a loud announcement. Now, it's time to head over to the voice selection. Choose a voice that sounds calm and soothing. A relaxed voice typically offers the most natural-sounding whisper. Another tip to keep in mind is to maintain high stability in voice settings. Stability here refers to how consistent and steady the voice sounds throughout your recording. By keeping it high, you ensure that the whisper effect remains smooth and doesn't turn into an unintended rise in volume or tone. Once you've set up these parameters, it's time for the exciting part: generating the voice. Click on the Generate button and listen carefully. This is where your judgment plays a key role. Pay attention to each whispered phrase and get a feel for the overall tone. You might need to go through several iterations, adjusting things slightly each time. Perhaps the volume needs to be even softer, or the voice selection could be better suited to your project. Don't hesitate to experiment with different voices and volume settings until you feel it's perfect. Patience is key, and each attempt brings you closer to that ideal whisper. In summary, let's recap. Start with soft-sounding phrases. Use the TAR command for lowered volume. Choose a calm voice with high stability, and keep tweaking until it sounds just right. By following these steps, you'll find that creating a whispering voice in ElevenLabs can be both a fast and straightforward process, adding a compelling feature to your audio project. So go ahead and give it a try, and you'll have that perfect whisper in no time.